Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 19th of February. And first of all, national news. India US deal for buying 31 Predator drones to be signed soon, Navy Chief. Air Force Chinook helicopter made emergency landing in Punjab. Farmers March, internet services suspended in parts of Punjab till February 24. Everything is absolutely fine. Champai Soren on a rift over Jharkhand cabinet expansion. Union ministers in Chandigarh for a fourth round of talks with farmers. Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra reached Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. Fit and functional, former PM Devagowda, 90, left hospital. Jharkhand Chief Minister gave go ahead for caste based survey. And now, international news. Bilawal Bhutto revealed power sharing formula Nawaz Sharif's party offered. Gaza ceasefire prospects dim as Israel rejected call to spare Rafah. Ex-PM Imran Khan party demanded judicial probe in alleged poll rigging. Before and after satellite images show extent of oil spill in Caribbean Sea. Afghanistan province told officials not to photograph living things and not selling lethal weapons to Russia. We are neutral. China to Ukraine. EU to fine Apple about $539 million over competition law breach, our report said. Red Sea attack have raised insurance premiums for shipping companies. And now some sports news. Ranji Trophy, Cheteshwar Pujara held Saurashtra secure quarters berth with big win versus Manipur. Manika Batra stars in India's win over Hungary at World Championships. India versus England, Indian players celebrated the dismissal of Ollie Pop. Business related news. UAE's non oil trade hit record 3.5 trillion dirhams in 2023. India's power consumption grew 7.5% in April to January this fiscal. Ensure timely arrival of baggage at airports after aircraft landing. PCAs told airlines. Two full blown multi billion dollar semiconductor plants going to come up in India. Was IT. And that's all in news. Thank you.